Hello, my name is Ola Grytten. I'm a professor at the Norwegian School of Economics and also a special advisor at the Norwegian Central Bank. My favorite research topic is economic crisis and the way out. So I'm happy that I will contribute with some thoughts about that and share some research about that at the Kaizen Global Conference, June 25th. We are now in the midst of a huge economic crisis caused by the COVID virus, and we really don't know where this will end. So this is very interesting. But even more interesting is the way out of this crisis. What kind of possibilities will we have? This is something I'm going to share with you. June the 25th. Welcome. Hope to see you.